Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stumble Guys. This exciting game pits up to 32 players against each other in a series of wild obstacle courses. Your primary objective is to qualify through each of the 3 rounds, aiming to be the last one standing. The controls are straightforward. Use a virtual joystick for movement and a single button to jump. Getting comfortable with these basic actions is your first step to navigating the hilarious chaos and outmaneuvering your opponents on the path to victory. As you play, you will encounter diverse map types, from frantic races to solo elimination challenges and even team-based objectives. Each of the 3 rounds presents a new, randomly chosen map, ensuring every match feels fresh and unpredictable. To succeed, you must master your movement. Use the jump button to clear small gaps and obstacles, and remember that a quick double tap of the jump button allows your character to perform a crucial dive, which can help you cover more distance or recover from a stumble. To truly excel in Stumble Guys, focus on a few key strategies. Firstly, learning the various shortcuts on each map can shave off precious seconds and give you a significant advantage over other players. Secondly, the dive mechanic is incredibly versatile. Use it not just for distance, but also to quickly recover from being knocked around or to slide under low obstacles. Finally, personalize your character with a distinctive skin. This simple trick helps you spot yourself instantly amidst the 31 other stumbling competitors. For those looking to elevate their gameplay, consider connecting a gamepad. Many players find that a controller offers superior precision and comfort compared to touchscreen controls, allowing for more accurate jumps and movements. As you progress, you can unlock special emotes, such as the punch or grab, which can be used strategically to interact with or even hinder opponents. Lastly, if you experience any lag, try adjusting your graphics settings to a lower quality for a smoother, more responsive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.